Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Kite and going to the Positions tab. This is where your live option legs live. Once there, identify the contract, strike, expiry, and current LTP so you know what to close. Make sure your margin and order type, MIS versus NRML, match the trade intent because Zerodha treats intraday and carry trades differently. If you're closing part of a multi-leg, note each quantity. This prevents accidental square-offs and unnecessary charges. Next, tap the contract and choose the opposite action. Sell if you long, buy if you short. This offsets the position. Then decide order type. Use market for immediate execution or limit to target price and avoid slippage. Remember, market orders can fill at unexpected prices in volatile options. Enter the exact quantity to close, review the brokerage and transaction cost preview, and hit confirm. Once placed, monitor the order status and partial fills until the quantity. Finally, verify closure by refreshing positions and checking the order book. The leg should show 0 quantity and any executed trade will appear in the trade book. If you see partial fills, cancel the leftover order and re-enter the remaining quantity with adjusted price or order type. If an order is rejected, check margin sufficiency, product type mismatch, or exchange short selling restrictions. Then correct and resubmit. A single troubleshooting tip. When volatility spikes, prefer limit orders to control execution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.